Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Chogyal from Bhutan. Today I will show you guys how to edit keyboards in Windows 10. It is very simple and very easy.
Make sure to subscribe search Chogyal, and also click on the bell icon to get notified about every new upload.
So in order to edit your preferred keyboard, just left click here on Windows menu and then click on settings. Or simply click here on search bar and type settings. Then click on settings and go to time and language. After that, click on region and language. So finally, you can edit your preferred languages here. In order to edit your preferred languages, just click here on edit button and search your language. Suppose in my case, I want to edit Zonga. So let me type here GZONG. Okay, here comes my language, Zonga. Click on Zonga and then click next. You can access your keyboards from here. I've got two keyboards, English and Zonga. So click on your preferred keyboard and start typing in your own language.